first line of the song.
Well, I am a kid.
Lawrence. She's bad. I am a year-old kid. I'm worth scarcely 20 quid. I'm the kind of beast you might well look down on, and my value will increase at the time of my decease. For when I grow up, I want to be a bodhran. Well, if you kill me for me meat, you won't find me very sweet. On your palate, I'm afraid I'll soon turn sour on. Oh, but if you do me in for the sake of my thick skin, I will make a very tasty little bodhran. Well, my parents, Bill and Nan, they do not approve this plan to become a yoke for every op to pound on. But I would sooner scamper with a bang than with a whimper, and achieve reincarnation as a bodhran. I look forward to the day when I lay off eating hay and become a drum to entertain the crowd on. And I'll make my presence felt with each well-delivered belt as a fully qualified and licensed bodhran. You getting it? Yeah. Well, my heart with joy expands when I think of far-off lands, and considers all the streets that I will sound on. And I pity my poor ma, who will never see a fly, or indulge in foreign travel as a bodhran. For a hornpipe or a reel, a dead donkey has no feel, or a horse or cow or pig that has its shroud on. And you can't join in a jig as a former grade A pig, but you can wallop out the lot if you're a bodhran. And if you're ever feeling low, to a session you should go, and take me there to exercise an hour on. And with studs around me rim, I'll be sound on wind and limb, and I'll make a very sexy little bodhran. Now I think you've heard enough of this rubbishy old guff, so I'll put a sudden end to this wee run, and quite soon my bloody bleat will become a steady beat as I start my new existence as a bodhran.